Mastering counter questions in English conversation. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting aspect of conversational English: answering questions with counter questions. This technique can keep a conversation flowing and make your interactions more engaging. Let's get started. Counter questions are questions that you ask in response to another question. Instead of directly answering the initial question, you use another question to redirect or deepen the conversation. Here's a simple example. Person A: do you like pizza? Person B: who doesn't enjoy a good slice? Person B's response is a counter question. It implies that they do like pizza, but it also adds a playful twist to the conversation. Counter questions can be a great tool for making conversations more interesting. However, it's essential to use them properly. If used too frequently or inappropriately, they can be seen as evasive or rude. The key is to maintain a balance between answering questions directly and using counter questions. Now, let's look at the different types of counter questions. These include redirecting questions, where you shift the topic slightly, clarifying questions, where you ask for more information, and reflective questions, where you bounce the question back to the asker. Here are examples of each. Redirecting: do you like football? Have you seen the latest game? Clarifying: do you enjoy reading? Are you asking about novels or non-fiction books? Reflective: are you a morning person? Do you consider yourself a night owl? To truly master the use of counter questions, you need to practice both speaking and listening. Let's try a listening exercise. I will share a series of dialogues. Listen carefully to each one, and pay attention to how counter questions are used. After each dialogue, pause the video and try to identify the counter questions and the type of counter questions used. Then, play the video to check your answers. Several examples of dialogues with counter questions follow. There you have it, language enthusiasts. You're well on your way to mastering the art of using counter questions in English conversation. Remember, practice is key. Keep trying out counter questions in your conversations, and soon you'll be using them naturally and effectively. As always, we hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and until next time, keep the conversation flowing.